In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo gallery slider to Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, swipeable image gallery that looks great on desktop and mobile, perfect for showcasing products, portfolios, or event photos. With your Wix editor open on the page where you want the gallery to appear, begin by clicking the plus icon on the left side of the editor. This opens the Add panel where you can insert new content into your page. From here, choose Gallery. The gallery section includes a variety of layouts, but because we want a slider, select Slider Galleries to see designs built for side-to-side navigation. Browse the available styles and pick the one that best matches your brand and layout. When you select a style, it's added to your page. You can immediately drag it into position and use the handles to resize so it fits naturally with your other sections. Now let's customize the images. Click the gallery on the canvas, then choose Change Images. The media panel will show you the photos currently in that slider. If they aren't relevant to your site, delete the current images to start with a clean slate. Next, click Add Images. If your photos are already in your media library, you can select them here. To bring in new files from your computer, click Upload Media and choose the photos you want to feature. Once they finish uploading, select the ones you need and click Add to Gallery. Your chosen images are now placed directly into the slider. For a professional look, aim for consistent dimensions across your photos. Using images with the same orientation helps the slider feel smooth without jumping layouts. Keep file sizes optimized so pages load quickly, large enough for clarity but compressed to avoid slowing visitors down. Choose a focused set of your strongest images so the slider stays engaging and easy to navigate. Take a moment to review the slider on the canvas. Click through the images to confirm they display crisply and that the composition works well at the size you've set. If any photo looks cropped awkwardly, consider uploading a version with a little extra margin, especially near edges where arrows or indicators might appear. And that's it. You've added a photo gallery slider to your Wix website, selected a style you like, and populated it with your own images, all in a few simple clicks. Your slider is ready to showcase your story beautifully across devices. Thanks for watching and enjoy building out the rest of your page.